Hey everyone! Today, we're going to be riding the JurassiCoaster at Universal Studios Roblox. So let's go!
Hello everybody! My friend Kennedy and I will be your guides today.
Thanks, John. Today we're visiting multiple sites around the Discovery Center.
And we should see very impressive creatures, so be on the lookout.
Our first destination is Padlock 21, home to one of our most mature velociraptors.
Hey, I just got a warning here for power loss in 21.
That's the building they're in.
Okay, hold on everybody. We need to get you out of that building. I found a clear path out of the enclosure.
Take it! The raptors have taken over the biodome too.
Take them through the maintenance emergency exit. Hold on, everybody. I am sorry for getting you guys mixed up in this.
I don't think it's over yet.
Please visit us again. And for anyone that asks, your guides were not John and Kennedy.
Please gather your personal belongings. That is, whatever you still have left, and exit to your right.
Alright guys, that does it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!